Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to DM someone on Instagram using your mobile devices. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now, let's get started. So first, you want to open your Instagram app and log in your account. And then just go ahead and search for the user that you want to send a message. So to do that, you want to click on the search button at the lower part of your screen and click on the search bar and type the username of that user. So for example, this one. So as you can see on his or her profile, you can see a message button. So just go ahead and click on that, and now you can start sending a message. You can also send a voicemail, a picture or video. And here, when you click on the plus sign, you can see some of the options that you can do. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.